So today we got the check engine light on and I got a pretty good hunch what it is. So, well, the reason you're seeing this video is because my hunch was confirmed. So let's get to it after the intro. All right, so here we go with the Tech 2 Win. We're gonna scan for these codes here. Again, my screen recorder I have on this crappy laptop won't record this DOS-based Tech 2 Win, so got to hold the camera in front of it. I don't know what we're doing here. Come on, view all DTCs. Just what I figured. P0442. Small system leak detected. What this means on this 3.6, it's pretty much all of them. This little evap vent solenoid fails on these cars. Fails just about as much as the blend door actuators. So this is like Illuminati confirmed. I have the part already. You should have a couple of them on the shelf just in case, because this is going to be an inevitability that it's going to go bad on your 3.6. So let's get to changing that thing. So before we go into replacing that purge solenoid valve, another thing could be your gas cap. Generally you get the other code for the large evap leak, but I just replaced this gas cap like 2 months ago and it's good and tight. So I know it's not the gas cap, but that might be something you want to check first before you proceed further with this. So let's get on with it. Alright, so this part here, I ordered it off Amazon, which is kind of hit or miss, just because simply it got here in a day versus Rock Auto would have been like 5 days. But this is the part number, and Amazon has been hit or miss. Fortunately for me, this is a GM because it's got the Bosch. And the one way to tell that this thing is good is if you blow through here and you meet resistance, that means it's good. That's how you can tell your old one is bad. When you blow on it, it blows all the way through. So I will show you where this thing is on the engine. Alright, so remove your engine cover, and right up here on your intake manifold is where this purge solenoid resides. It's a simple pop the connector off, push this down, and remove that nipple, and you might disintegrate some of your your loom. You might need to replace that. And then we got a 10mm bolt right there, and we're gonna back that off. Probably need a deep well or an extension on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that 10mm. That's a 10, right? Oh, I got the wrong socket. I got an 11mm socket, it still loosened it. I'm gonna take a BF screwdriver. I don't even need the screwdriver. Oh, maybe I do. It's proving stubborn. It's because I didn't get this unbolted all the way. Maybe I should get the correct socket. Alright, I got the stupid 10mm. Grabbed an 11 by mistake. There. And it's out. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see, the original says Bosch. Yeah, I totally got that out of there. Okay. Well, anyway, if you blow through this end, blows all the way through, and that means this thing is bad. So I'm going to take this new one and just little spit on the finger, lube up that O-ring a little bit, and she's going to go like this. I might want to back this screw out a little bit, put her flush like yay. Now she'll just slide right in there, and then you line up the screw. Make sure you have a 10mm. And thread her back in there. I want to make sure you don't cross thread this, because it's there's like a an insert into this plastic. Make sure you get it. You start it right and don't cross thread, which I think I was about to do. So start it by hand. Should put some anti-seize on them. Okay, she's in, and it's literally, we're just going to connect all the, we're going to connect this back up here, snap it back in place, and like that. Find your connector, and that's all there is to it. And we'll put the engine cover back on and clear them codes. I swear it took me longer to reboot this computer to get the Tech 2 Win working. It took longer than it took me to swap out that purge solenoid. But the check engine light's still on, so I'm gonna go clear the codes. Present. Timothy is present.
Timothy.
Present.
Thank you.
Alright, so let's clear it. Click yes. Oh, it's in progress. The idle immediately changed when that check engine light went off, or turned off, I should say. All right, now let's view. Let's just make sure she didn't come back. No trouble codes. There we go. So that is how you cure the P0442 diagnostic code on your GM 3.6 liter V6. Any questions or comments, drop them below. Otherwise, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Hit the thanks down below if you feel generous, feel like contributing to the channel, if I can talk straight today. Anyways, thanks for visiting. We'll see you in the next video. Later.